Hello and welcome back to the Dodo Juice mini-series on the Hairy Housewife YouTube channel. Now it's a completely unsponsored mini-series. Go check out the info video in the Dodo Juice mini-series playlist. Now today we're going to start off with the first in the series, and the first thing you should do when you need to wash your car this dirty is start off with a strong pre-wash spray. Now we're starting off with Dodo Juice Crudzilla. Now it's a very strong citrus TFR. Now it is caustic, it does contain detergents and citrus solvents, but it is caustic and it isn't pH neutral, so it will damage and degrade any wax or sealant that you have on your vehicle. But first off, before we get into using Crudzilla, we need to get all of this loose dirt and grime and mud off your vehicle before jumping in with the pre-wash spray. Now, as you can see, after rinsing off all that loose material, you can still see there is a layer of dirt and grime and road grit left all over the vehicle that we need the Dodo Juice Crudzilla to loosen up for us. Now, once we've sprayed the entire vehicle with Crudzilla, it's time to leave it 1 to 2 minutes to do its thing. Don't let it dry. 1 to 2 minutes is long enough. On a hot day, maybe a little bit shorter. Now, when you're using a product like this, make sure to wear the correct PPE. Always wear some gloves. You don't want to get this on your skin. It can cause chemical burning. But once you've let that sit for 1 to 2 minutes, it's time to go in and rinse it off with the high-powered pressure washer. Now there we have it, that has been the Dodo Juice Crudzilla. Now, as you can see, it does do a fantastic job at removing a decent layer of dirt and grime off the vehicle. But remember, it isn't pH neutral, it isn't wax and sealant safe, but it is strong and it will do the job you need it to do. So if you have a filthy vehicle, this one is for you. There we have it, guys. I've been the Hairy Housewife. You guys have been great, and I'll see you next time on the Dodo Juice mini-series.